You've done the hard part. You've built a custom AI assistant, trained it for specific tasks, and it's running beautifully right on your laptop. But there is a catch. Right now, your AI's entire existence relies entirely on the physical machine sitting in front of you. If your Wi-Fi drops, or if you simply close the lid, everything stops. The AI shuts down instantly. It is exactly like hiring a genius employee, but forcing them to work in a dark basement where you are the only one holding the light switch. So how do we get this AI out of that fragile environment and put it somewhere it can run completely on its own? Because if your automation requires you to leave your computer running and babysit the Wi-Fi connection just to stay awake, it isn't truly automated yet. The answer is a process called deployment. This is the definitive fix for the closed laptop problem. Deployment is simply moving your AI employee out of your basement and giving them a permanent 24/7 office. In tech terms, this is a server, a highly reliable, heavy-duty computer sitting in a secure warehouse. These machines never lose power or their internet connection. To get our AI into one of these spaces, we use a deployment platform like Modal. You can think of Modal as the office landlord who manages the building. Modal uses a structure called serverless architecture. That sounds complicated, but it just means the landlord handles all the infrastructure behind the scenes. You don't pay the electricity bill. You don't maintain the hardware or configure the internet routers. With logistics handled, your AI is free to run massive background jobs. It can spend hours scraping hundreds of websites while you sleep. Deploying your AI doesn't change the tasks it knows how to do. It changes where it lives, ensuring those tasks happen reliably every single time. But moving to a remote server creates a new hurdle. House miles away, you can no longer just type into your laptop to give it instructions. To fix this, we need to build a bridge between you and your deployed AI. In software, this is called a front end. Think of the front end as a reception desk located right outside that new office building. It is a clear, accessible spot where anyone can drop off a request for that AI employee to pick up and process. In reality, this front desk is just a simple web page. It has a clean layout and empty text boxes where you can type in your commands. Here's how it works in practice. You pull up this web page on your phone and type, "Find dental clinics in Miami." That request pings the remote server, and your AI wakes up, takes the instructions, and springs into action. By separating the processing brain, the cloud server, from the control panel, the web link, you create an AI tool anyone can access, from anywhere. Eventually, you will want to upgrade that front desk. Let's say you want to add a convenient new button that lets you instantly download all of the AI's research results as a spreadsheet. In the past, updating deployed code was tedious. You had to take the entire software offline and manually rewrite the complex logic running on the server. Today, the process is smooth. Ask your AI workflow for a change, and it automatically updates the deployed code. If something goes wrong, version history logs every update, version 1, 2, and 3, so you can easily revert mistakes. Building the local logic, renting the server space, and erecting the web interface. Mastering these 3 steps allows you to take a personal AI project off your laptop and turn it into a reliable software business.